In this video, I will show you how to connect Gumroad to Printful, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. As you can see guys, I'm right now at Gumroad guide. You would need to first create your product on Printful, and by going to Printful dashboard product template. Once this is done, you will need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the product and click on download mockup. After that, you will need to go to your Gumroad store, click on products and create a physical product ad. All the product details and mockup that were downloaded earlier. Connecting Gumroad to Printful, authorize Printful to use your Gumroad account. Log to your Printful account and go right here. As you can see guys, here in the picture, you need to connect your Gumroad store and authorize it there. Simply find the Gumroad logo and click connect, and if you are already logging to Gumroad, you need to ask to log in Gumroad account and click authorize, and in order to allow Printful for use and your Gumroad account. Wait for a few seconds. Once you have connected Gumroad and Printful, your Gumroad orders will automatically be sent to Printful for fulfillment and shipping. Without additional work, the product corresponding to each other order will be printed, packed and shipped directly to your customers, and that's it, you are done.